Hey folks, just a quickie here, just to show you what I got. I went to a rummage sale. Rummage sale? Oh my God! Now I'm ooh, I'm missing the. I wonder if she gave it to me for free. A rummage sale. Or as you youngsters and hipsters would like to say, a yard sale. What's that other one? A yard sale.
Flea market?
Flea market. My days it was rummage sale. Why? Because you rummage through the junk pile. I saw these two sitting there. I asked the woman, how much? You getting rid of them? I said, I'll take them. She goes, sir, I don't even know if they work. I said, oh, you don't? So, what's the matter? You can't give me a price on it? She goes, I'll tell you what. So since you bought so much from me, and also helps out there where you don't argue with her about the price, just give her what she wants for it. She goes, since you bought so much from me, you can have it. She goes, I don't even know if they work or not. I said, I'll take that chance. You sure you don't want anything for them? No, you go ahead. It's all yours. Okay. I thank you so much. Oh, the moment of truth. We will plug it in and we will see if
she runs.
If my multi-million-dollar deal here works. And I'll tell you in a second what I'm going to use it for. Ooh, it's no good. Okay, oops. Let's see, does it work? Folks, you're looking at the future Pops paint mixer. Paint mixer, quart can, pint can, or what you can do also, if it's not mixing well for you, you can just put a little piece of metal plate here, weld it, or solder it, whatever the case may be, this side and one on this side, and then it actually will mix the paint for you. So, but hey, if it mixes cake mix for you, it will mix paint too, trust me. I just don't have paint right now because it's May 20th, right?
Yeah.
May 20th. And it's 50-some degrees outside with high winds blowing. So
yeah, Mother Nature doesn't know what it wants anymore.
So it's not ideal conditions or temperature conditions to be painting. Okay, folks, that was my quick tip for you. All right, later. Be good out there. Later.